Very good morning, student. Myself, Siraj Sir Farasta. I am your science teacher. Today we will solve the exercise of lesson number 2, that is animals, habitats and their adaptations. Okay, let's start with exercise number 1. Fill in the blanks with correct word. Question number 1. Plants eating animals are called. Think about it. Plants eating animal are called, yes, herbivorous. So herbivorous is the right. Plant eating animals are called herbivorous. Yes, very good. Second question. Mammals are the animals that breathe through. Think about the question, then try to give the answer. Mammals means here human beings. Here human being is the example of the mammals. They breathe through, yes, very good, nose and lungs. Okay, the lungs is the right answer. Number 3. Most terrestrial animals have dash pair of limb. Terrestrial means animals that live on land. જમીન ઉપર જે રહે છે એને terrestrial animal કહેવાય. They have dash pair. How many legs does it have? 4. Okay, so there are 2 pair. One pair is equal to 2 legs. 2 pair is equal to 4 legs. So terrestrial animal have 2 pair of limbs. Question number 4. Animal inhale dash and exhale dash. Inhale means to take inside and exhale means to release out. Okay, so animal can breathe, yes. How they breathe? With the nose, with the gills. Okay, but what is the process? They inhale oxygen and releases the carbon dioxide. Okay, see again, read. Animals inhale oxygen and releases exhale carbon dioxide. Question number 5. Insect like cockroach breathe through dash. How cockroach can breathe? Think about it. Okay, they are breathe through a tiny holes. They are called spiracles. Okay, so they breathe through spiracles. Number 6. In bird, 4 limbs. 4 limbs means front limbs. Okay, when you see the bird, you see bird have only 2 legs. So where are other 2 legs? So they are modified into wings. Which leg are modified? 4 limb. Okay, front leg are modified into the wings. Okay, next is true or false. Write T for true and F for false. Number 1. Octopus are found in salt water habitat. Is it true? Think about it, then answer. Yes, this is a true statement. Octopus are found in salt water habitat. Number 2. Frog use wing to swing. Is it true? No, this is a false statement. Why this is a false statement? Because frogs have a web feet. Okay, WEBBED, web feet. Okay, to swim in the water. So this is a false statement. What is the correct statement? Frog use web feet to swim. Number 3. Earthworm breathe through spiracles. Is it true? No, this is not a true statement. Okay, this is a false. Then what is the true statement? Earthworm breathe through skin. Okay, moist skin. Yes. Next, cow is a carnivorous animal. Is cow a carnivorous? No. This is a false. Cow is a herbivorous animal. Okay. Herbivorous, herbivorous animal. Number 5. Chameleon show camouflage. What is mean by camouflage? Changing the color of the body. Chameleon shows the camouflage? Yes, true. Chameleon shows the camouflage. Next exercise is match the following. We have to match column A with column B. So let's start. Number 1, camouflage. Which animal shows a camouflage? Yes, chameleon shows the camouflage. Then omnivorous. Which animal is omnivorous? Yes, C. Human being is an omnivorous animal. Very good. Birds. Birds have a desert? No. Ocean? No. Then yes, feathers. Birds have a feathers, that is wings to fly. Then next, camel. Camel, where are camel living? See, yes, desert. So desert is the correct answer. Next is whale. Whale, two options are left. Whale, yes, see, match with it ocean. Whales are found in oceans. Yes, very good. Then a last one. Which is the last one? Monkey. Monkey are found in forest. So in camouflage, what is the answer? Chameleon. Omnivorous is human being. Birds, feather, camels, desert, whale, ocean, and monkey, forest. So these are the correct answer of match the following. Now next, match the following part 2, that is exercise 4. Sheep have a gills fur. What sheep has? Sheep has a fur. Okay, sheep has a fur that can prevent or keep their body warm. Then fish. What does fish? Fish have a gills. Yes, very good. Then duck have web feet. Okay, to swim in water. Then tortoise. Turtle have a shell to protect their body. Then snake. Snakes have a scales. Okay. What is the use of scale? Scale is used for movement also in case of snake. Then last one, birds. Birds have a wing to fly. So again verify it. Sheep, okay, sheep have a fur. Fish has a gills. Duck has web feet. Tortoise have a shell. Snake have a scale, and birds have a wing. Okay, now next, that is short question answer. Question number 1. What is the question number 1? Define a habitat. What is mean by habitat? A natural homes of an animal is called an habitat. Okay, the animal that live naturally in a particular environment is called an habitat. So is it clear about the habitat? Natural home. Okay, forest, desert, ocean, etc. These are the natural habitat. Zoo is not a natural habitat. Okay, Now second question, define adaptation. What is mean by adaptation? See, the change or modification of their body to suit their immediate surrounding. Okay, changes or modification in their behavior that help the survive in a particular habitat is called an adaptation. You can write also the definition that explained to you in the lecture, okay, part 1, okay, chapter number 1, that explain that definition is also correct. This is also a correct definition, both are correct. Write any one of them. Question number 3. What are omnivorous animals? Give two example of it. Okay, animals that is plant as well as flesh of other animal. They are called omnivorous. In short, the animal that eat both plant as well as animal. These are called omnivorous. Example, human being, crow, bear, okay, bat means chamachidiyu, okay, okay, this is called omnivorous. Give two example of aerial animal. What is mean by aerial? The animal that fly, okay, that are the birds. Birds are flying in the sky, okay, so answer is eagle, parrot, pigeon, okay. You can write any two example, okay, that can fly. Number 5 is describe migration in animal. So let's start. The movement taken by animal to escape extreme climatic condition and in search of food. ઓકે, એનિમલ છે એ સિઝનલ માઇગ્રેશન કરે માસમાં. એક સાથે એક જ પ્રકારના ઘણા બધા એનિમલ છે એ એક જગ્યાએથી બીજી જગ્યાએ મૂવમેન્ટ કરે છે. ફોર વોટ? ઓકે, ફોર ફૂડ એન્ડ ફોર બેટર ક્લાઇમેટિક કન્ડિશન. ઓકે, ધીસ ઇઝ કોલ્ડ માઇગ્રેશન. Next is, how do scales help animal to survive? How scale help? Then your answer is scale prevent the loss of water from their body. Then second is provide protection from the unfavorable climate and the protection against the predator. So these are the three basic points that you have to write in the answer. Okay. What seventh question, what does habitat provides to animal? Habitat શું આપે છે animal ને? Okay, so habitat provide food, air, water and shelter. Shelter means house. રહેવા માટે જગ્યા આપે છે. It is easy question. Habitat provides the food, air, water and shelter to the animals. And list the different types of the habitat. We have already discussed in the online video lecture. That is, how many habitats are there? There are 5 habitats. Okay, number 1 is forest, number 2 is desert, third is ocean, fourth is mountain and polar region, and fifth is freshwater habitat. So there are 5 habitats. Okay, clear? Yes. Question number 9. Give two examples of animals that live in ocean. Oceans means sea. બરાબર, દરિયામાં મોસ્ટલી રહેતા હોય એ. Example are whale, starfish, jellyfish, okay, octopus. You can write any two example, okay, but what is the condition? They are living in oceans. Next question, give two examples of animals that live in forest as a habitat. Answer is lion, tiger, elephant, bear, monkey, okay, etc. You can write any two example, okay. Next question, question number 11. Why do Sheep have thick fur. Why do sheep have thick fur? Sheep have a thick fur to protect them from cold and rain, that is to keep their body warm. Okay, so this is a too much easy question. Next is long question answer. Okay, question number 1. Describe the adaptation of eating habitats. Okay, what we have to describe? Adaptation of eating habitats. Okay, so based on eating habitats, animals are divided into 3 groups. Number 1 herbivores, number 2 carnivores, and number 3 omnivores. Okay, so these are the 3 groups. Which are the 3 groups? Number 1 is, yes, herbivorous, then carnivorous, and third is omnivorous. So let's start with number 1, herbivorous, animals that eat plants. Okay, they are called herbivorous. Example, cow, horse, buffalo, okay, etc. Number 2 is carnivorous, animals that eat flesh of other animals. They are called carnivorous. Example, lion, tiger, etc. So these are the few examples. Number 3 is omnivorous. What are omnivorous? Animals that eat both plant as well as flesh of other animals. They are called omnivorous. Example, human being, crow, bear, bat, etc. Okay, so these are the some examples of omnivorous. Next question, question number 2. Describe the adaptations of body covering in animals. Okay, so let's start with this body covering. The body covering help animal to live in a particular habitat. Okay, body covering is helpful to protect their body from harsh climate, from unfavorable climate, and from the predators. Okay, this is the main thing. Let's start. Number 1 is scale. The animal like fish, snakes, their body covered with snail. What is the use of the scale? It prevents the loss of water from the body and provide protections against predators. Next, that is number 2, shell. The animal that have very soft and delicate body, so they need a protection, so they have a shell like structure. For example, snail, tortoise, okay, they have a shell on their body. Number 3, feathers. What is the use of feathers? It keeps the body warm and it is used to fly. Okay, there are two things in that: keep the body warm and help them to fly. Feathers are present in birds. So birds have a feather that keep their body warm and help them. Next is fur. The sheep and bear like animals have a fur on their body to protect from cold and rain, means to keep their body warm. Next, number 5, camouflage. What is mean by camouflage? The changing of body color with surrounding, okay, is called camouflage. The animal like chameleon, okay, not a chameleon, it is a chameleon, and calotis, okay, conchido, okay. These animals shows the camouflage. This camouflage helps animal to get escape from the enemies. So is it clear with this? Okay. So next question, that is describe desert as a habitat. Now what is desert? Desert is a dry area. Why it is a dry area? Because there is a very little rain or no rainfall. કાં તો વરસાદ ખૂબ ઓછો પડે છે કાં તો વરસાદ જ નથી, એટલે એ આખું લેન્ડ કેવું રહેશે? એકદમ ડ્રાય રહેશે. ઓકે, ધીસ ઇઝ કોલ્ડ a desert. In the desert there is a hot during a day. જો આખો દિવસ વરસાદ ને એવું કાંઈ ન હોય તો સનલાઇટ એના પર પડે તો વધારે ગરમ થાય. ઓકે, so there is a hot and a cold during a night. Okay, so this is a desert. And again extra point, in the desert there is a less plants. Okay, plants are not there in enough quantities. Okay, because water is not enough. If the plants are not enough, then what happen? The animals in the desert are not enough. Okay, there are few only animals that are able to live in deserts. They are camels, monitor lizard, desert snakes. Okay, only these types of the animals that are able to survive. મને સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ ખબર છે, camel છે એ 7 days ઓકે live without water, એ રહી શકે છે. ઓકે, it is a adaptation of the camels. Okay, so what we have solved today first we have start with the fill in the blanks. We have solved the 6 fill in the blanks, then true or false, 5 true or false, then match the following 1 and match the following 2. After that short question. How many short question? Total 11 question answer. Okay, assignment 1 and assignment 2. Okay, total 11 question answer. How many long question answer? See, we have solved 3 question answer. So student, write this exercise in your science fair book. Okay, try to learn it. If you any doubt, then again please watch the video number 1 of this chapter. Try to watch full video, and after that try to solve this assignment and write in your science fair book. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video. Okay, now be ready for the next video of the next chapter. Okay, thank you very much.